In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create realistic 1:7 scale figurine-style images using Google Gemini. This is This is an exciting process that allows you to blend your creativity with technology to produce stunning visuals. So let's jump right in and walk through the steps. First up, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, you'll want to type Google Gemini into the search bar. This will help us find the platform we'll be working with today. Google Gemini is the tool that allows us to creatively generate those lifelike figurine images, so it's important to make sure you're on the right path from the start. After hitting the search button, you'll see Google Gemini listed in your search results. Go ahead and click on it to access the Google Gemini application. Once you're inside the app, you'll notice several functionalities designed to assist with image creation. Next, look for the plus sign, which is typically used to add or upload items. You'll want to click on this plus sign to upload a photo. This is your starting point, so select a photo that you want to transform into a 1:7 scale figurine-style image. It could be any image that you have handy, but choosing something that you think would translate well into a figurine style is always a good idea. This will be the canvas on which we apply our creative touches. Now that you've uploaded your photo, it's time to enter a prompt. This prompt is essentially a command that helps guide the software on what to do with your photo. It can be as detailed or as broad as you like, depending on the level of creativity you wish to insert. Once your prompt is ready, direct your attention to the Tools option within the app. Click on Tools. This section of the app is filled with different capabilities that will aid in the creation process. It's an inspiring playground for any digital artist, providing tools that can enhance, modify, or totally transform images. With the tools open, the next step is to click on Create Images. This button is essential as it initiates the transformative process. It takes the uploaded image, the prompt, and applies those instructions to produce a unique figurine-style image. It's like watching the software weave magic right before your eyes. After clicking Create Images, you'll see a Submit button appear. Go ahead and hit that to finalize your image request. This indicates to the software that you're ready to process everything you've set up. Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for. Your image is done and ready to be admired. Now you can review the final output and marvel at the 1:7 scale figurine-style image that you've created using Google Gemini. Remember, practice makes perfect. Each creation is a new opportunity to explore different prompts and photo styles. Experimentation is key to mastering the art of creating realistic figurine-style images. Thanks for watching, and have fun creating.